What have you been up to lately?
I've been studying a lot lately. I've been working out a lot lately. I've been reading mystery novels a lot lately. I've been thinking about my future a lot lately.
I've been cooking at home a lot lately. I've been playing video games a lot lately. I've been traveling for work a lot lately. I've been sleeping late a lot lately.
I've been meeting new people a lot lately. I've been shopping online a lot lately. I've been practicing the guitar a lot lately. I've been drinking coffee a lot lately.
I've been walking my dog a lot lately. I've been cleaning my room a lot lately. I've been feeling tired a lot lately. I've been visiting my grandparents a lot lately.
I've been writing in my journal a lot lately. I've been watching documentaries a lot lately. I've been trying new recipes a lot lately. I've been using social media a lot lately.